the student can see afterwards. Okay. Again, once again, good afternoon, dear students. So previously we have clear the example of Prim's algorithm. So according to that, we have clear all this part that I'm repeating here. So basically here we saw which is the minimum spanning tree we got. We started from 6 vertex. Okay, 6 is the starting node. Then 6 to 1 we are selecting first path, then 6 to 5. Why we are not jump directly to another node? Because the rule of Prim's algorithm is the node should be visited first, then we'll go to the next node. Okay, so 6 to 5, this path we are going to select, then 5 to 4 we are selecting, then 4 to 3 is minimum. After that, which node we are going to select? Then 3 to 2 is selected. After that we have to check this minimum. Suppose 7 के पास जाना है तो 24, 18 and 14 which is minimum? This one is minimum. So we can consider this loop. Okay, so there is no cycle form. This age should be minimized. Okay, so this is the concept of what Prim's algorithm is. Okay, so we'll see the all points one by one. That steps we have covered previously. Okay, all the steps we have done here. 6. Okay, so now minimum cost of minimum spanning tree of this, that's it, this type of we have selected. So minimum cost we are asking, that is what we have to do the summation of all the costs. So final result is now the cost of minimum spanning tree equal to sum of all the edges. So we are adding all the value, that is 1, 10, 25, all the values. If you are considering, the value will be the 26 units. Okay, so this type of values we need to consider here. Fine. Okay, so now we'll focus on the next part. This is very important, that is Prim's algorithm. So you can understand that this is time complexity, how we are going to calculate. So there is again a representation. When we are implementing code, then you can easily understand. In adjacency list is used to represent the graph, means using linked list. Okay, we are using in BFS, rate first search, all the vertices can be traversed in big of V plus E time. So why big O? Because it is worst case time complexity we are considering in generalized way, and V plus E because वर्टेक्स जितने टोटल नंबर ऑफ वर्टेक्स है प्लस वहां तक पहुंचने के लिए उतने एज हम लोग यूज करते हैं, दैट्स व्हाई टाइम कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी विल बी big of V plus E. Okay, so we traverse all the vertices of graph using BFS and use minimum heap, means we are considering the minimum value here for storing the vertices not yet included in MST. Okay, so to get the maximum weight age we use minimum heap as a priority queue. Minimum heap क्यों बोला है? क्योंकि हम minimum distance consider करते हैं. We saw the minimum heap concept, heap sort. Okay, minimum heap operation like extracting minimum elements and decreasing key values takes big of log V. So minimum distance we are going to consider, that's why the time complexity will be the log V, and overall time complexity equal to big of E plus V, means V plus E into big of log V. So time complexity will be E plus V log V, and finally we can write E log V here. Okay, this is a time complexity of what Prim's algorithm, that is time complexity can be improved and reduced to big of E plus V log V using Fibonacci. So there are different techniques using we can reduce the time complexity, but in till second year you should know what is the time complexity of particular algorithms. Okay, so I hope everyone clear that part here. Okay, so now we'll focus on the next part, that is Kruskal algorithm. So how we are going to implement this Kruskal algorithm? So we just, again, it is a concept of what greedy algorithm. It is also used to finding out the minimum spanning tree of given graph, and again to apply a Kruskal algorithm to give graph must be weighted, connected and undirected. Okay, so these are the term and condition while implementing Kruskal algorithm for given graph. Okay, so again same example we have given that previously for Prims. Okay, so now we'll focus on this example. So we need to construct minimum spanning tree using Kruskal algorithm. Simply draw all the vertices on a paper. Okay, fine. Connect these vertices using edges with minimum weight such that no cycle get formed. Yes, so all vertices we have drawn here from this. Okay, in that हमें क्या करना है? In Kruskal algorithm we are not selecting particular vertex here, we are selecting the edge between these two vertex. सबसे minimum जो edge रहेगी उसको पहले select करना है. So 6 and 1 is minimum age compared to all other edges. present in the graph. Okay, so सबसे minimum है, that's why we are selecting minimum age. Okay, so likewise we are selecting this. Yes, why we are selecting 6 and 1 this age? Because this is minimum. Means Kruskal algorithm works on ages and Prim's algorithm works on vertices. Means हम यहाँ पे क्या कर रहे हैं, randomly जिसका सबसे minimum weight है वो vertex pair हम select कर रहे हैं, isn't it? Means we are selecting one age here. Okay, so randomly we can do, but in Prim's algorithm randomization is not possible because the node should be visited first. Okay, this is the difference between these two algorithm. Okay, the next step, just concentrate here. After 10, which is minimum, just see here. ये देखो, इसके बाद कौन सा मिनिमम है, दिस वन. मींस वी आर अरेंजिंग इन व्हाट, डिक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर. 10 हमने पहले सिलेक्ट किया बिकॉज इट इज मिनिमम, देन ऑल. उसके बाद कौन सा मैक्सिमम है, 3 and 4. दैट्स व्हाई वी आर सिलेक्टिंग दिस एज बिकॉज दिस इज मिनिमम compared to others. The next will be this 2 and 7 we are selecting. Why? Because the age is again minimum than remaining, means it is in what, increasing order we can say. The next will be the 16. Why it is 16? Because it is minimum again. Next we are selecting the 5 to 4, 22, again it is minimum. Likewise, so since all the vertices have been connected, included in MST, so we stop here and just see here, selecting these vertices again. I'm repeating this part so that you can easily understand. First step, what we are going to do, we have drawn all the vertices on paper, and from that we have to select minimum age from all the vertices. So minimum age wale vertex kaun hai, 6 and 1. That's why we are selecting this one. After that, 3 and 4 is minimum. Why? Because the cost is 12 here. Next one is what, 7 to 2, the minimum weight is 14. After that, which is greater than 14, that is 16, but minimum than remaining 1. After that, we are selecting 22. Why? Because it is minimum than remaining 1. And last one is 6 to 5. Means same result produced here, that is that point we have seen. So this is what the minimum spanning tree. So summation of all the ages, the value will be the 99. Okay, so this is what the minimum spanning tree. There is no loop is found. Same example हमने लिया था Prim's and Kruskal के लिए. So difference is that there is node should be, we have to start from vertex and node should be visited first. And what about Kruskal? We have to select minimum age value. Okay, so I hope everyone clear Prim's and Kruskal. So this is again the analysis part of Prim's Kruskal algorithm. The ages are maintained as mean heap. Okay, the next age can be obtained in big of log e. This is very important, log e, because time of graph has e ages. Yes, means we are considering a half age because minimum value we are going to consider, that's why it is log e. And again the Kruskal algorithm takes e log e because reconstruction of heap. Heap means what, we are taking because we are creating tree में क्या होता है, heap tree we can consider, or heap sorting, we have to create the heap tree there and we have to select a minimum value. So minimum value हमेशा upper side में रहेगी. At that time it requires, because we have to select all the vertices are ages, that's why it is big of e. So Kruskal algorithm takes e log e time. So the value of e can be almost big of b square. Why it is b square? Because for selecting two vertices, ये b square क्यों आया? Because of suppose मुझे दो vertex select करने हैं तो क्या होगा, if I am considering two vertices here. Okay, suppose these two vertices, suppose firstly मैंने क्या किया, ये age को select किया 6 to 1, that is 10 value, and now again I want to select this one, means I am visiting one vertex twicely, that's why it is p of square value. And so big of, finally log v and log e are the same value, means we can consider it as a log v, either log e here. So likewise the Kruskal algorithm is formed. So I hope everyone clear now the Kruskal algorithm also. There is no major difference between Prim's and Kruskal. Only the selection process is different. In Prim's we are selecting vertex. In Kruskal we are selecting age. So I hope everyone clear now the Prim's and Kruskal algorithm. All of you. Is there any doubt? You can ask, no problem. Fine. Okay. So the next part is topological ordering. This is again very important part. The topological ordering means it's a sorting concept. For DAG means directed acyclic graph. There is no cycle form and the direction is given. Is a linear ordering of vertices such that for every vertex age uv, vertex U comes before V in the ordering. So that's why it is called as, means order should be maintained, and that's why it is called as a topological sorting. For a graph is not possible, in the graph is not a DAG. Yes. So if you want to maintain the order, there should be the direction is given. That's why topological sorting is used for directed cyclic graph. It's very, very important part. And in that, linear ordering of vertices such that for every director H, U, V vertex, U comes before V in the ordering. Yes, means direction is very important. Where U comes before V or V comes before U, this concept should be depends upon the direction. Okay, so this is called as what? Topological ordering in graph. So we'll see the example of it so that you can clear. Just concentrate here in the given example. Just see topological sorting on that. How many element? That is 5 4 3 2 1 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 nodes are there. Okay, can be more than topological sorting for the graph. For example, topological sorting for the example is given 4 5 3 2 1. 4 5 3 2 1 and 0 means direction is given 4. कैसे आना चाहिए? For the first vertex in topological or sorting is always a vertex with in degree 0. Means what? There is no any in degree is given. Okay, a vertex with incoming edges. Just concentrate here. There is only one rule is given. Suppose this is ordering given for 4 5 2 3 1 0. This is 4 first vertex. Let's say 5 second vertex. The in degree of that vertex should be 0 क्योंकि इसके पहले एक भी vertex नहीं होना चाहिए. That's why the first vertex degree, which degree? In topological sorting is always a vertex with in degree is 0 value. Means उसके पहले vertex नहीं होना चाहिए. The order should be maintained. The 5 4 then 5 after that 2 then 3 then 1 and then 0. So this direction matters a lot in topological ordering. So I hope you're even clear now. So this is actually DAG. This is directed cyclic graph. There is the important part is given, that is फर्स्ट वर्टेक्स रहेगा उसकी डिग्री क्या रहेगी? इन डिग्री शुड बी 0 बिकॉज देयर इज नो एनी फर्स्ट नोड इज गिवन. उसके बाद जो एज आएगा इट शुड बी द डायरेक्शन में. तो वी कैन नॉट चेंज द ऑर्डर हियर. जो ऑर्डर दिया रहेगा उसी ऑर्डर में हमें ट्रैवर्स करना है. मींस वी कैन से दैट दिस इज 4 then 5 then 2 then 3 and 1 and then 0. This is the concept of ordering. So it is used for maintaining the order data. Okay, so I hope you're even clear now. Topological ordering, Prim's algorithm, Kruskal algorithm, and which algorithm is remaining? That is disaster algorithm. I hope you're even clear now. Okay, thank you students. Only 14 students are there. Okay, fine. Now I will share the videos also. So no problem. Yes, Ajay, you can stop the recording.